So we're getting into the holiday party mode, and you'll want to look your best.
Dr. Carrie Schafferin with Riva Aesthetic Dermatology has a way to help everybody. He's here to tell us about CoolSculpting.
Hi, Dr. Schafferin. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, Colleen and Larry. I'm doing fine. Thank you.
Great to see you. Okay, first off, CoolSculpting after Thanksgiving. Some of us might feel like we need it. What is it? How do you explain what it is?
Some of us might need it. Maybe many of us might need it. CoolSculpting is an amazing technology. I think we're starting to learn more about this. We've heard about this. It is a way of trying to trim unwanted bulges and little areas of fat without diet, without exercise, without surgery or downtime.
Interesting. I mean, the process itself, how does that work? I mean, you have the device right here.
I brought an example, right, of one of our little adapters, one of our little handpieces. This is the new one. This is called the CoolAdvantage, where we have a little sort of stainless steel pocket there that gets very, very cold. We first put a little adapter on there and place it on the area of the skin that we don't want to see there anymore, such as our love handles or our bra rolls, for example. And then instead of a 60-minute treatment, which is what we had with the old handpieces, now we can do it in 35. And it simply cools the fat so far, it dies off.
We're looking at some video of you, Dr. Schafferin, getting the procedure at your office at Riva Aesthetic Dermatology. Again, these new handpieces, they really make a difference as far as treatment time, as you mentioned. It cuts it almost in half.
They do. It cuts it almost in half, and we're combining it now with the ZWave Pro, another device I thought not to confuse, but I would bring two toys today. The ZWave Pro.
These are the hot toys of the season.
These are, right, we talked about, exactly. You won't find these online probably, though.
Right. But why does the ZWave help? What does that do as far as being treated is concerned?
Well, so the new adapter gets an even better results than the old adapter, but you'll see here in the video clip that we actually send these radial shock waves into the area that has just been CoolSculpted.
And it's painless.
It's very close to painless. But what it does is even better than the standard protocol, which is manual, hand massage. This sends deep shock waves into the skin to break up those just frozen fat cells even better.
So I had this done. I'm not shy. I'm not ashamed to say it.
With that right there?
Yeah.
Yes, it does not hurt. To me, it doesn't hurt, but it doesn't hurt at all.
You know what? If you said it doesn't.
I'm telling you the truth. Yeah, I mean, you're aware, you feel it certainly, but it's not painful.
It doesn't hurt as much as getting up at 5 in the morning to get to the gym.
Yeah.
I like the idea. So you do this instead. Fine.
Yes, you can do this instead in many areas and get a better result, actually.
I want to show some before and after pictures so all of you at home can get an idea of how effective these treatments are. If we look at the top screen right there, that's what we're looking at, Dr.
That's
Schafferin.
amazing. Look at on the right side there. That's a side. Both sides CoolSculpted. The right side had our little shockwave machine. The left side, the standard manual massage.
Is that you?
That one is not me. No, I haven't. That one's not me. I may be in the pictures, but that's not that picture there.
All right, here's another before and after.
Nice.
Yeah, so
that's pretty dramatic.
It really is rather dramatic, and it really looks like these folks, maybe lost 10 or 15 pounds, but these people are within a couple pounds of their pre-treatment weight. It simply reshapes the body. Those cells that are gone, those fat areas that are gone, are permanently gone. They don't come back. Even if you gain some weight, those cells are gone.
So you don't have to do this again, or is it a series of these?
1 or 2 treatments is usually plenty, and then that area is enough.
And it really targets those areas. You can even treat arms, as you mentioned, Dr. Schafferin. Anywhere there's pinchable fat or unwanted fat, those areas, those pockets of fat that are hard to get rid of with diet and exercise.
Which are many times genetic things, a family thing, or you've had children. This can help get rid of those areas that otherwise is impossible without surgery. And this is not surgery.
So why should somebody go to Riva and not somewhere else? What sets you apart?
Well, there's a few things. One would be this neat little device here, this little hot toy for this holiday season.
Okay, not everybody has that.
Which very, very few offices have anywhere in the Carolinas. This gets 20% or better results, and we don't charge extra for it. It's just part of the service. Plus, we're a full medical office there. We're not just a Medspa. So you can get your skin checked there, you can get your Botox or fillers at the same time if you wish to do that. We have...
I'll do that again.
So it's, you have the comfort and the peace of mind of being in a physician practice, essentially, as well as all these other extras.
You have a wonderful staff at Riva Aesthetic Dermatology. Everybody's so friendly and professional. It's a great place